To do this trend, open any editing application you have. I'm using VN editing application for this trend. If you want this editing application, then you can easily download from Play or App Store. Now go to New Project and add your 11 photos. Now, after this, add audio. If you don't have the audio, then you can get the audio from the link given below in the description. Now, after this, delete the end part of the video, which is basically the default VN logo. Now, after this, trim all photos to this time duration. You can use the trim option to set the duration. And now after this, do for all other photos. Now add text. Leave some space before adding the first text, and then apply the text layer till the end of the first clip. You have to do the same for second and third text layer. Leave some space before writing the text, and then apply the text layer till the end of the first clip. Now after this, check your video. And now export. Now you're ready to share.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.